Hello and welcome to this ESG Lab video. In the next few minutes, I'll share with you some results of our recent ESG Lab hands-on testing and cost of ownership validation of the Dell Flash Optimized SC8000. ESG research indicates that a growing number of organizations are deploying solid-state storage solutions because they provide faster access to data while taking up less space and using less power than a traditional disk-based storage solution. However, while the advantages of solid-state storage are compelling, the high price of flash compared with disk poses challenges for IT organizations that are struggling to contain costs while keeping up with growth. Dell is taking a different approach with a flash optimized architecture that leverages the lower cost, about 4 times less, and higher capacity, about 4 times more of MLC flash, and the enterprise class endurance and durability of SLC flash to address this issue. Dell Compellent was architected from the ground up with a fluid architecture that automates the movement and protection of data at the block level by using the capacity residing on different tiers of storage media. This capability, which Dell refers to as data progression, is ideally suited to get the most out of the latest innovations in storage media technology. The flash-optimized Dell Compellent architecture leverages high-performance SLC flash with enterprise-class endurance and reliability for writes and frequently accessed data. High-density MLC support, which was introduced in 2013, delivers the read performance benefits of flash at a lower cost per gigabyte. And traditional hard drives provide the best bang for the buck for long-term storage. In other words, Tier 1 SLC flash is write-intensive, Tier 2 MLC flash is read-intensive, and Tier 3 hard disk drives are capacity-optimized. ESG Lab performed a series of tests on a flash-optimized SC8000 located in a Dell facility in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. The Dell Compellent Storage Center Management Console shown here was used to verify the configuration and health of an SC8000 configured with 12 read-intensive MLC SSDs and 12 write-intensive SLC SSDs. Testing performance was monitored with the Dell Enterprise Manager utility to confirm that I/O requests were being handled by the write-intensive SLC flash tier. The SC8000 was primed with a random mixed workload that emulated the activity of a typical OLTP database application with the industry standard iometer utility. On-demand data progression was kicked off by configuring a replay from the Storage Center console, and the Enterprise Manager utility confirmed that recently written data was migrated from write-optimized SLC to read-optimized MLC flash. Next, ESG Lab examined Dell's claims that an all-flash Compellent SC8000 is less expensive than the price of a 15K RPM all-disk configuration. A comparison of the street price and performance of the all-disk and all-flash Dell Compellent SC8000 systems is summarized in this figure. For the same capacity, the cost of the all-flash configuration is slightly less, but the performance was twice as fast for the database workload that we tested. We also compared the cost of an all-flash Dell Compellent SC8000 with 24 SSDs with the cost of all-flash modular storage solutions with 24 of the highest capacity SSDs from major storage and systems vendors as of June 2013. As shown here, the street price of the Dell SC8000 with a mix of fast SLC and slower but less expensive MLC is 4 to 6 times lower than all-flash solutions from major vendors. So why does this matter? Companies continuously face challenges in cost-effectively meeting service level agreements for business-critical applications, especially for I/O-intensive applications with strict performance requirements. Failure to meet performance requirements can result in lost productivity and a costly loss of services. And over-provisioning to avoid performance problems is a waste of money. ESG Lab confirmed that the cost per gigabyte of an all-flash SC8000 is about the same as an all-disk SC8000 with 15K RPM disk drives, and is 4 to 6 times less than all-flash modular solutions from major storage and systems vendors. So if you're a Dell Compellent customer looking to get more performance out of your existing investment, a no-cost online storage center upgrade and a touch of SLC and MLC is a no-brainer. But if you're shopping for a net new all-flash array to boost the performance of a business-critical application, you should seriously consider the compelling economic advantages of a flash-optimized SC8000. There's more to learn in the full ESG Lab report, which you can download at the Dell website.